Hey, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company. And we recently just purchased a bunch of stuff. And I was going to use this head on a motorcycle. However, it's got some issues that I need to talk about. Now it has the caps and everything. This is how we got it. I don't see any broken fins whatsoever. Okay, the exhaust studs look good. The tachometer drive looks good. However, there's some welding on the back of it, and we just don't care to use anything that's been welded. If you look right here, it's had a repair job. I mean, it's just, I don't want to massage that and sell that like that. So anyway, we're offering, this would be good for a good everyday rider, or if someone wanted to put the time into grinding it out and making it smooth again, but that's not us. The head, I don't believe, has ever been flowed. It still has a rough casting on the inside right here. So really, the only issue I see with it is where it's been welded right here. Now, also, the spark plug looks good on all of them. And I didn't check the valves or anything like that because I just bought all this as is. But this is a doable head. It's just been repaired, and we just don't care for that, as we have a good stock of nice ones. And so anyway, we're going to offer this for sale on eBay for $150, no reserve. So we're going to have her on her next couple days, and good luck, and I think this will be good for somebody. Oh, also, I believe this head will work on like 77, 78 KZ1000A. And I think it'd be good for 77, 78 KZ1000B, which would be the LTD. If painted, you could use it on the Z1R. It would be black head. And it'd be cool for a police bike, like 77, 78 KZ1000 Police. Now, also, this will work on about any of them. You can put this on a 900 if you want to, or whatever. But we just want to tell you what it fits and the condition that it's in. And I think this would be a decent head for somebody, but just not us. Okay, thanks a lot.